Hi guys, I am Mansi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'll be talking about different Indian brands, especially for Western wear. So as you all know, अभी Shein India में ban हो गया है, and I know a lot of you are very disheartened with this. So here I'll be talking about different Indian brands which has some amazing Western wear clothes. So let's get started. So the first brand that I'm going to talk about is Bessiva. So I came to know about this brand on Instagram, and it is a really nice brand and it has some amazing pieces at affordable prices. So talking about this brand, I personally love their graphic tees. I mean, it's so cool. So as you can see, this empowered one and the roast one, I absolutely love it. And for summers, I believe these kind of t-shirts are amazing. You just throw a t-shirt and just style it with a normal denim and you're good to go. So you can find some really nice and cool tops at some throwaway prices on Bessiva, and they're also available on Myntra and Amazon. And all in all, I believe this brand has some amazing pieces and you should definitely check this out. So the next brand is Oxo Loxo Fashion. I think this is how we pronounce it, and I really love this brand and I have a lot of pieces from this brand. Particularly, I really love their jumpsuits. The first piece that I have from this brand is this black jumpsuit, and I think I got this for 7 or 800, and this one I got from Myntra. And this particular jumpsuit is a versatile piece. I mean, you can style it in so many different ways. I think I've styled this one for my Diwali lookbook also, and the other one, this printed one, is my absolute favorite, and this one also I got for 800 or something. So they have some amazing collection, and also I have few other pieces also, like I'll just attach the pictures here. So they have their own website also, and you can find them on Myntra and Ajio as well. And Ajio Pay, you can find some amazing pieces, and also you can get a lot of discount. So it's better, you can just check that out. So the next brand is Urban Suburban, and I came across this brand on Instagram and I absolutely love their collection. I mean, especially the summer dresses they have are just amazing. They have so many summer dresses in so many different styles, and I think you can find a dress for every occasion on their website. And I mean, all the pieces are so trendy and I absolutely love it. Also, one of my favorite pieces from this website is their green pantsuit, and I really love it. I mean, the color, the fit and everything is so perfect about this one. So one thing that really caught my attention on this website was that it also has a section which says maternity options available. So I mean, you can customize any dress according to your size, and I think that is something that is great. And so they have their own website and I absolutely love it. I mean, it's so color coordinated, and they also have this section which is like dresses under 999, and they have so many options and so many varieties. And this is also available on Nykaa Fashion and LBB, so you should definitely check that out. Okay, so the next brand is Tokyo Talkies, and they have some really affordable tops. So if you want tops for college and office, so I think you should definitely check this brand. They have some really affordable tops, and the quality is also really good. So I haven't shopped a lot from this brand. I just have this one dress that I got from Myntra and I absolutely love it. So the quality and the fabric is really good, and I mean, they have tops starting from 250 till like 8 or 900, and which is, I think, a great deal. If you're looking for something that is super affordable for daily use, I think you should definitely check this website. And they don't have a website actually. They sell on Myntra, Flipkart, Ajio. So the next brand is Fabelly, and I know you have heard a lot about this brand. I have also heard a lot about this brand, but I've never got a chance to buy their products. But when I went through their website, they have some really cool bottoms. So it also has plus size collection, and I love brands who include plus size collection and have wide range of sizes. And also especially talking about their party wear dresses, they have some amazing collection of party wear dresses. So if you're looking a dress for any party, I know you are not going to any party these days, but if you're looking for a dress for your birthday and some occasion maybe, so I think they have some amazing party wear dresses, so you should definitely check that out. So last but not the least, my favorite brand is Ajio, and I have talked about this brand a lot. I mean, I shop from this brand the most, and I mean the website, it has like the Ajio.com website, and they have some amazing collection, and you get so many great deals. I mean, I cannot stop talking about this brand. I can just go on and on. So yeah, I really love it, and especially Ajio has really nice boho collection. The different brands that I've talked about, like Oxo Fashion and Tokyo Talkies, they are also available on Ajio, and I think that you can get a lot of amazing deals on Ajio. And the quality, I mean, the quality is great. So especially if you're looking for something boho like cotton kurtas or kurta dresses, so you can find a lot of good pieces on Ajio. And I must tell you that there is a little hack that you can do. I mean, that's what I like to do, that always shop in bulk whenever there's a sale. And I mean, mostly they are running sales. So if you shop like for 2,000 or 3,000, you can get like 60 or 50% discount easily. So I think that is one thing you can try, and you can get a lot of good pieces at some throwaway prices. And also Ajio has some in-house brands which has like really good affordable daily wear tops, and one of them is Rio. And Rio, say, I have shopped a lot, like I have a lot of pieces from Rio, especially the tops that I shopped during my college and for my college wear. Most of them were from Rio because they are super affordable, and also the quality is really nice, and they're super trendy, so you can find a lot of good pieces. So I recently shopped from Ajio, and I shopped a lot of pieces. So if you want to know about all the details regarding what all pieces I got, then you should definitely check my recent video. I'll just put the link in my description box. So all in all, Ajio mein you can find so many different Indian brands, and I think prices can start from like 200 and can go up to 5,000-6,000. So they have like a very good range of pieces. So yeah, you should definitely check that out. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope this video was helpful and आपको भी थोड़ा बहुत idea हो गया हो कि आपको कौन से brand से क्या shop करना है. And you all are very disheartened with Shein being banned. But I can guarantee you there are so many good Indian brands, and they have some really good pieces, and I think we should support our Indian brands. So I'm planning to do a second part of this video where I'll be talking about different Indian wear brands to shop from. And if you want to see that video, then please comment down and let me know, and like this video, share it with your friends, and also follow me on my Instagram. Bye.